Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Zion Oil and Gas. We're going to look at some of their past updates and PRs. We're also going to break down the charts mainly. And also, I'm going to tell you what I did in one of my positions for Zion Oil and Gas, and kind of talk about what I can see possibly heading into next week. Just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know when we release new content. So we know this thing has been on a steady decline, and we'll continue to do that unless we get some type of relevant information. So we're going to look here at the past press release from Zion Oil and Gas. We know that the last one that we had was back on November 23rd. And then your last update was from February 16th, right? So typically they're going to release an update or PR on Monday or Thursday. So kind of my plan, what I've been doing was, if I don't get anything from Zion by Friday morning, I'll go ahead and buy some more by the end of the day, because I should catch it probably at its low point of that week, because people are probably hanging on until at least Thursday to see if there's any type of news, and then of course it starts dipping down again. So it was some decent information the last couple updates they gave us, but this is taking a long time, a lot longer than expected, and a little bit of concern, if I'm not, if I'm being completely honest, about what the heck is going on. So what I did was, I actually, in one of my accounts, I cashed out half of my Zion Oil and Gas, and I did roll it over into EEENF, because I think that EEENF is going to have a nice little spike up probably next week, so I can recoup some of the losses I have from ZNOG, and then I could always roll it back right into there. So I did still have my primary account with a large amount of ZNOG, and I'm going to continue to nibble at it and buy on Fridays. However, there's one where I didn't have a crazy amount of shares, so I decided to roll it over into EEE to go ahead and make some money, because ZNOG is just not doing anything at this point. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take a look at the charts for ZNOG to start, and then we'll go ahead and break down EEENF as well, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so taking a look at Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. We recently redrew the fib level for a high of 45 cents. It looks like next week we can go down to about 42 cents, maybe even 40 cents as your tip top, your overall ceiling, okay? Currently right now the floor is right at about 10 cents, and we are going to most likely get there next week if we do not get any type of information, okay? So we're going to look at the charts here. The good news for me, in my opinion, is we've been bleeding out for so long that I think we're due for some type of upward momentum, maybe back to 14, even 15 cents, even if there's not even any news. Maybe Monday people come in and start buying it a little bit, randomly runs up to 14 or 15 cents, and then by Thursday, no news, it'll fall back down. But it could slip and slide all the way down to 10 cents before we do that, okay? Overall, we got to get above about 17 cents to be above that red SMA line. We're still trading below it, but if we can get above about 17 to 18 cents and hold there, great sign moving forward. And then from there, we have about 24 cents, 28 cents, 32 cents, and then of course 45, about 45 and a half. By next week, the tip top of the fib level could be roughly at about 40 cents, okay? And I'm hoping that we can hold about 10 cents. I hope we don't go below that, but it's a good possibility we can if we don't get any type of news by Thursday, okay? So again, my plan, keep averaging down, especially if it falls 10 cents or below. I could, average down tremendously and get close to, getting my average down, a lot lower than what it is now. If it does fall below 10 cents, that's the bright side of it. I'll just keep buying on Fridays until the thing starts taking off, because eventually the market's going to correct itself, right? So, but they have to have some type of relevant information come out, and they have waited quite a while since their last update. So I'm kind of expecting to hear something from them next week. The big thing for me, the big concerning thing for me, and it's been like this forever, is they don't say anything unless they have some type of information, like not even a simple update of, hey, like to me, if I had people investing in my company and I was really worried about my shareholders, I mean, I would go and probably throw something out at least once a week. Hey, this is what we're doing. Even if we're not doing anything, hey, we're at a standstill. Just know that we're still working, whatever. They'll wait a month, 2 months, whatever. And yeah, just kind of chill and do whatever. I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping that we get some type of positive news soon. So triple EEENF, let's take a look at that really quick. Like I said, I did cash out half of my position on one of my accounts to roll it into triple EEENF, and this is the reason, because I said that this is a key level of support right here on triple EEENF, and it got right down to undervalued, and it bounced off, and now we got a green Doge candle. So I'm hoping that Monday we can come and push up higher. I think Monday or Tuesday we can probably make an attempt to get back and bust through that 3 cent mark. We finished right below 3 cents at 0.278, but this green Doge candle is a good sign that we should be holding some support around this level. You see, we held here, and if we can kind of, even if we have to consolidate here for a couple of days, I'd feel pretty comfortable about it. But we've got a lot of volume started to pick up here and started turning these candles into green from red. Okay, so I like that. So I'm looking at next week they could, have some type of other announcement come out from their previous announcement, which talked about how they reached target depth, and now they're just, basically seeing, making sure that what they have is what they think they have, in other words. And I think if they announce that and it's positive and they have a good update, that I think that this thing could easily go back above 3.5 cents. And we'll just kind of have to see how it plays out from there. So anyway, I wanted to provide you just those quick technical analysis on those two stocks there. On another note, IQST also had a decent day today. I think we finished at about 62 cents there. And now we just got to hold above that level in order for us to keep moving. But we are close to overvalued, so we may pull back down a little bit. But maybe if we pull down a little bit and bust up above 62, 63, then we could be back to test $1. So that's just a little bonus pick for you there. So anyway, guys, have a good weekend. We'll catch you in the next video. Talk to you later.